Here's a quick intro on how to use Flipgrid. The first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to sign in after your flipgrid.com. You're going to click that educator login. I'm already logged in, but you would click on use your Google so that it's set up. I've added my picture, so I'm sure which account that I'm in. At the top, there's a lot of different options. My grids are kind of like my pages. I've set them up by class to kind of sort them a little bit easier. You can see I've done them for various different things, and then they all have a different code. You can also, when you're done, if you want to take and make a compilation of kind of all the responses, you can do that in my mixtapes. You can also find other people who want to you want to connect with that are using Flipgrid. It's a great way to kind of partner up, and you can see how many people are using Flipgrid. You can search your grade level to try to figure out who you could potentially connect with, someone who's doing something similar. So it's a great option. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make yourself a new grid. And I just use my school domain. I did mine for a sample. The one thing that you can do, which is kind of nice, is you can make this. So instead of using a code, you can use something that makes sense to you. Personalize it with a picture. You want to add your school domain. Now there you go, it's ready to go. You can look and see what it looks like as a student. Again, they're going to be asked to log in with their Google account. So here is my sample. In order for me to get started, I need to make a new topic. My new topic would be a question, something I'm going to pose, something that I want them to respond to. So you just click on new topic, add a title, an exit ticket is a quick and easy way to start. Here's just a quick tip that you can put in there. You can adjust their time, so if you only want them to be 30 seconds, it can be just a 30-second thing. And this is where you put in your question so the kids can see it. Doesn't have to be too advanced. And then I'm going to hit create topic.